Hey, little yogis, we're so happy you're here with us. If you enjoy moving and breathing together, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more yoga fun. Today we'll move our bodies, take calm breaths, and enjoy gentle yoga poses to help us feel happy and relaxed. Grab your mat, take a slow deep breath, and let's begin. Let's start. Sit facing each other with your legs extended forward and the soles of your feet together. Standing beside each other, bend your outer leg at the knee to stand in tree pose. Standing tall and facing each other, interlock your hands with your partner. Bend down like chair pose with your back straight and thighs parallel to the floor. Standing in front of each other, bend your body and interlock your arms at the arms with your partner, placing the hands on the partner's arms. Standing beside each other, bend your outer leg at the knee to stand in tree pose number 2. Standing away from each other at arm's distance, you both step the right feet forward, bending at the knees. Standing back to back, interlock your arms with your partners at the elbows. Place your shoulders and backs close to each other. Sit facing your partner with knees bent. Holding your partner's hands, start to place the soles of your feet together. Sit with your legs crossed and your backs resting against each other. Standing back to back with your heels a little apart, fold forward. Reach your hands behind your legs to take hold of the front of your partner's shins. Standing and facing each other with fingertips touching, lengthen your arms overhead and lift the same feet off the ground with your partner as the diagonally opposite legs builds more support. Standing side by side with your legs wide, hold your inner hands. Entering into double boat pose, slowly move your legs to the sides. Re-grab your partner's hands now in between your legs as you press against each other's soles. Kneeling high with your backs facing each other, align yourselves by placing one foot in between the feet of your partner. Standing and facing opposite direction and backs of your heels touching, reach to take hold of your partner's hands so that your inner elbow is pointing forward. Facing each other, sit on your heels with your kneecaps touching your partner's kneecaps. Lean forward, keeping a straight spine, so that you are able to place your hands on the top of each other's thighs, palms open. Amazing work, yoga friends! You did a wonderful job moving, stretching, and breathing today. If you enjoyed our yoga time together, remember to like the video and subscribe for more fun yoga adventures. You can share this video with your friends and invite them to join us next time. Now take one big deep breath in, and a slow, gentle breath out. Smile, relax, and feel proud of yourself. See you again very soon. Bye bye, yoga friends.